A watermark increases the number of subscribers to your channel because your viewers can easily see the subscribe button just below any video that's on your channel. And so how can we do that? Well, let's see how we can make a watermark. Alright, let's jump in. We're gonna go to create a design, and we are going to go with a custom design. Now a watermark is always 150 by 150 pixels, so we're gonna put in that 150 by 150 pixels. We're gonna go to create a design, create a new design. We can go on and rename it just like channel watermark. Let me just say watermark, a watermark. Alright, just press enter if you're done. And now now this is 150 by 150. I want to bring in my logo, so I'm gonna go to my documents here and just throw it my logo here. I'll go to download, and I can just throw in. Now you can choose whether it has a background or it doesn't have, so it's just upon your choice, but I prefer when it doesn't. I don't know, sometimes it's, let me just throw in the one with a background. So I'm gonna delete this. Let me bring in this with a background, yeah, to kind of bring in some depth. Alright, so I'm gonna stretch it to the edges. Just make sure I fill up all the pixels with my logo, and you're done. Just go to download and just get that PNG. It's just good. And yeah, there you go. I'm gonna go to my channel logo and just go to YouTube Studio, and I can go to customization, branding, and then I can upload my watermark. I remember I designed it here, so I can just go open it, and yeah, that's it. Publish, and I can view my channel, and there you go. You've gotten this video, and you can see it around here. You can see it around here, so if someone clicks on that, they can always subscribe to your channel and become your subscriber. Alright, so you get the point. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.